Welcome back to today's brand new compilation of the men without fear on the road, and the moments when highways turn into a crash show, or the most unlikely accidents on the internet. Let's go. What do you think about this? This moment was captured in China when a truck carrying cars suddenly swerved into an oncoming vehicle, causing it to overturn due to the heavy weight. That was a heart-stopping moment. It's likely that the minicar was at a really high speed and lost control because of the slippery road. This is probably why many people find skaters annoying, for some of them just don't pay attention to traffic. The survival instinct really saved the pedestrian, but the problem here is the Red Runner with the insane speed.
Okay, I'm going to warn you though, because the citation's $200. Okay, so don't take this as.
Jeez, oh my God!
This is why you shouldn't stand with your back to the main lanes when you park your car. The driver just wanted to turn into the gas station, but overcorrected after going too fast. But it doesn't end there. The gray Lexus stopped in the middle of the road, which is really dangerous. The police are still shaken after the gas station staff saved them. The driver must have just moved here from North Dakota, isn't he? Another accident where the driver tried to park but failed. Got drunk and caused a hit and run. I wonder how the drivers and companies are checking these vehicles if so many accidents like this are happening, but caused by technical issues. This incident is reported to have been caused by a tired driver who crashed into the only parked car on the street. This is the most ridiculous car crash I have ever seen.
Challenge. Rebuffed. The Rigiopers went home and started with
This incident was captured by cameras in Orange County, California. You can see that quite a few cars were hit. It looks like about 2 or 3 cars were involved in this accident. and it seems they were driving together, probably in an illegal race.
Hey, your dog's in that car safely.
This is the scene of a similar incident that happened on A1A highway. You can see there are a lot of cars parked here, but luckily the driver didn't hit any of them. Look at this car. It's swerving a lot and even running on the shoulder. It looks like a drunk guy is driving it. It's not surprising that it finally crashed. My brow really missed the main point, but I guess we all know how it happened.
Fuck the red light. Oh my god! Oh!
I'm sure all the guys here would want to try doing the same thing, but don't want the same outcome. I wonder who would dare to stop on a highway recklessly like this. That's really a serious crash. However, you can see that the green car being hit actually saved the pedestrian. This crash was caused by a drunk driver. Luckily, it seems like no one was hurt in this incident.
Yeah, that's fine.
Holy sh!
One of the biggest
fire.
problems in accidents like this is that the cars can catch fire or even explode. Luckily, this incident didn't get worse.
Hold on a second, babe. Holy sh!
What happened?
What's worse than getting hit on the road? Getting hit a second time by a semi-tractor and getting stuck.
Call 911?
Yes, right away.
Thanks for moving your bicycle out of the way. Nothing bad happened, luckily. Such a bad day. Even though it looks pretty ridiculous, it's worth noting that. The bike rack on the back of his car is a 1-up, which is not a cheap rack at all. So the rack might have been stolen, or maybe the car with it was stolen.
Wow.
Another scenario is water pipe explosions. While the shock isn't as strong, it can still send vehicles flying, posing a danger to both drivers and passengers.
Oh my god.
In this area. In this area.
What do you think is the reason why the alleged rear-ended woman reacted so slowly that it caused such a crash? I bet she was on the phone.
Been on the right, waiting for over 4 hours. He rescued. At times, she thought she was going
I didn't think I'd make it. I wasn't
No, babe.
anybody. The first time leaving parks, I was.
Go! Jesus.
Even Even though the accident was avoided, many people think the driver overreacted. What do you think? It was reported that the driver dropped his phone and reached down to pick it up. However, no matter the situation, always driving by the rules and staying alert is the best way to prevent traffic accidents. You can see that the drivers here did a great job staying focused and keeping a safe distance from the other vehicles, which helped them avoid a collision with the driver coming the wrong way.
What the?
These are all rules of defensive driving. On the other hand, many drivers also face criticism for their driving attitudes. Here's an example of that. Bus driver versus bus driver, which is a scenario that many passengers fear.
Change the status quo through March. So far, that has failed to significantly, even though the alliance accounts for 40% of global oil production. The problem is that
Okay, that's enough fire for now. Let's take the next road. Check out this moment. God really gave his all to save that man's life. Thank you for watching Big Crash Channel's videos. If you enjoyed our journey of discovery, don't miss out on what's next. Subscribe, like, and share our videos. See you soon.